In this video by ABN Painting, we are working on a pool deck, and we start our preparation work by cutting the concrete next to expansion joint caps that need to be replaced. Next step is pressure washing. After pressure washing, we disperse TSP using plastic spray pump, and then we scrub the deck. After scrubbing, we rinse off the chemicals. Earlier, we cut the concrete to make sure there is enough gap between the concrete and the new replacement joint cap, and now we're installing replacement joint caps where the old ones are broken. We fill with adhesive the inner part of the new expansion joint cap, then put it on top of the old one, pressing down firmly. On the left side of the old expansion joint cap, there is still a lot of plastic left. However, on the right side, most of the plastic is missing, and there's not enough surface for the new cap to hold on to. And that is why, in addition to applying adhesive to the inner part of the cap, we also put adhesive on top of it, sealing a little gap between the concrete and the new expansion joint cap, to ensure that the new cap does not fall off. After we apply the adhesive to the top part of the joint cap, we are using a wet rag to remove any excessive material. There are a couple of spots on this pool deck where the texture is missing, and prior to painting we are going to repair those areas. We apply the repair material using a putty knife, then we give it approximately 10 minutes or so to dry, and then we are using a wet sponge to blend in the repaired area with the rest of the deck. The repair material that we are using, it's called XL Surfaces Texture. We use it for the base coat first, and then we mix it a little bit thinner, and to blend in better the repaired area with the rest of the deck, we sprinkle it on top, and then with the putty knife we knock it down to create a texture effect. After we finished with all repairs, we are using a roller to apply the first coat of paint. Then we are using a brush to paint all the edges. And then we are using the roller again to apply the second and the final coat. And this is the pool deck before and after.